welcome back to our new video. Just going to give a quick highlight on GBPUSD. So it's Thursday. My overall bias on daily time frame for GBPUSD. I treat any buying pressure on GBPUSD as a retracement and an effort to try and rebalance price and work out the inefficiencies in that occurred on the higher prices following a bearish move. 2nd and 5th February bearish move. So just to quickly highlight what's really happening, price action taking place on GBPUSD. So my thinking is I still hold the bias that I expect GBPUSD to drop lower and go as low as 1.23398 level, which is level one of the low level of monthly fair value gap. So looking at GBPUSD currently on the daily time frame as it stands, it is retracing, heading for the equilibrium. The premium and discount array I have highlighted, so it's heading for the premium level on the daily time frame. There isn't really any evident inefficiency of the daily time frame, but lower time frames like the 4 hour and 1 hour, it really shows the liquidity void that is evident and potential drawn liquidity. One of the reasons why we have witnessed this upward move a larger part of this week. So on the 4 hour time frame, 2nd February 4 hour candle was the genesis of this huge downward movement. So we see liquidity void and there's too much inefficiency. So I'm not surprised. In fact, I expected price to pull back and try and reach for higher prices, but in general I'm still holding a bearish bias. And so let's check out the 1 hour time frame. So we have this 1.26385 area. The high is around that area. You realize it forms we have multiple attempts to try and highlight these areas an area of supply. So the pools of money resting at and above that area is one of the reasons I am looking forward to seeing GBPUSD pushing higher. So I would love it to push as high as 1.27595 area and then reverse and head lower. That will give a better RR. I tried to capitalize on this upward movement on GBPUSD. So the upward movement, so my first target is the 1.26687 area, and my entries were based on a few factors, including a 15-minute market structure shift that happened around this time. Yeah, so there is MSS. So this shift from bearish to bullish, it offered a good opportunity to enter a buy. So this was my first entry, targeting an RR of risk reward of 1 to 2.67, approximately 2.67 based on this first entry. So I noticed that move late. My second entry is a buy limit order, which has not been triggered yet. It gives me a possible risk reward ratio of 4.32. So my risk in this case is almost half the normal risk because I'm counter trading. So I consider this trade against the existing trend. So I won't be taking much risks because the market is likely to reverse and head lower, at any level here. So my initial target, so my target is the 1.26687. So the price could go as high as 1.27 area, but grabbing these the highlighted RR will still do good for me. So let's see how the market will play out